Good morning, student of class 7. I am your computer teacher Sonji sir. Hope you all are fine. Today I am going to start a new chapter which is number system and introduction. Okay, this is the chapter number 2. So let's start. Here you can see the content of this chapter. First is number system, next is decimal number system, binary number system, octal number system, hexadecimal number system. Okay, I will discuss about these first 5 topics in this video. And before starting the discussion, I would like to tell all of you that the computer copy carries 30 marks, so all of you should write all the question answer inside and exercise question answer both, okay, in your computer copy. And I hope that all of you have already written and learned the first chapter question answer. And as per some guardian request and also some student difficulties to understand the lesson in English, I will discuss the chapter both English and Hindi. So move on to the topic. Here you can see the number system. What is number system? First of all, we need to know number system. Number system is a set of a fixed values, okay, set of a fixed value that are used to represent different quantities. Normally the decimal number system is most extensively used number system used by humans all over the globe. The number system was the first popular globally accepted number system. That means the decimal number is the most extensively used number system because of the decimal number system has the base of 10, okay. Next is the all the number system used before it counting were depending on the external resource, but the decimal number system became popular because everyone could use the fingers of counting instead of the external resource. As we have 10 figures in our hand, there were several other advantages of these numbers because the power of multiplication and the division by 10. That means I have already told that decimal number system has a base of 10, okay, base of 10. The decimal number system has a base of 10. That's why we easily multiply this and divide by 10, okay. And we easily counting the number system by using our fingers in our hand, okay. But when the electronic was invented, miniature switches were used to design the integrated circuit. These switches had to state on and off, okay, on and off. This is very important. These switches had to state on and off. It was necessary for another number system to be invented, so this circuit could be used. This would have a drastically reduce the size of a computer, so that the state device, the digital computer, started using the number system called binary number system, okay. When the integrated circuit were invented, then these switches had to state on and off. That's why the binary number system was invented, okay. The digital computers can store all kinds of data information including text, number, audio, video, graphics, but all these stores are either 0 or 1. That means पहले पहले क्या होता था कि डेसिमल नंबर सिस्टम हम लोग बहुत ज़्यादा यूज़ करते थे, क्योंकि डेसिमल नंबर सिस्टम का जो बेस है वो 10 है, ओके। और वो काउंटिंग करने के लिए भी बहुत ही आसानी होता था। हम लोग मल्टीप्लाई भी कर सकते थे, डिवीज़न भी कर सकते थे, बिकॉज ऑफ द बेस वैल्यू इज़ 10, okay. Decimal number system, the base value is 10. And but when the integrated circuit was invented, then the binary digits are come into place of डेसिमल नंबर सिस्टम. जब इंटीग्रेटेड सर्किट इन्वेंट हुआ तब क्या हुआ कि बाइनरी नंबर सिस्टम इन्वेंट करना पड़ा, जो कि 0 और 1 है. बाइनरी सिस्टम का बेस क्या है? 2, ओके. द बाइनरी सिस्टम हैज़ द बेस वैल्यू इज़ 2. The binary system can store all the data information including text, number, audio, video and graphics. All these are stored either 0 or 1, okay. So move on to next. Here you can see the number system. A number system is a written system of expressive number system with a given set of mathematical symbol used in the consist manner. The number system helps to represent a set of numbers in a unique standard of manners. A number system is a base or a unique symbols or digit. One or more digits are combined to get a number. The base of the number decided the valid digits that are used to make a number. The position digit is a number start from the right hand side of the number, left hand side of the number. The rightmost digit has position 0, and the next digit left position has 1. Okay, so on. The digit of the number have two kinds of values. Okay, that means जो नंबर सिस्टम है वो अकॉर्डिंग टू कुछ सिम्बल्स, मैथमेटिकल सिम्बल्स के ज़रिए क्रिएट किया गया है। और जो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल है दी राइट साइड द डिजिट हैज़ पोजीशन 0, जो पहले राइट साइड पे जो नंबर आएगा वो 0 होगा, जो देन उसके बाद जो लेफ्ट पोजीशन में होगा वो 1 होगा, उसके बाद 1 2 3 4 5 6 करके ऐसे ऐसे करके नंबर को हम लोग देखेंगे। एंड द नेक्स्ट पार्ट इज़ द फेस वैल्यू एंड द पोजीशन वैल्यू। फेस वैल्यू, व्हाट इज़ फेस वैल्यू? द फेस वैल्यू ऑफ ए डिजिट लोकेटेड एट द पोजीशन। फॉर एग्जांपल डेसिमल नंबर इज़ 87। ओके, डेसिमल नंबर इज़ 87। यू नीड टू focus on this. Decimal number is 87. Okay, the face value at the position is 0 is 7. Okay, 7 is 0, and the face value of the position 1 is 8. Okay, 0 and 1, we all know that computer can understand only 0 and 1. The face value at the position is 0 is 7. Okay, 0 is 7, then the face value at the position 1 is 8. Okay, next is the position value. The position value of the digit base position. For example, the decimal number 87, the position value 7 is 0 to the power 0. Okay, 7 is 10 to the power 0, and the position value is 8 is 10 to the power 1. Okay, 10 to the power 1. That means here you can see his value 0 is 7. Here you can see the 10 to the power 0. Okay, then 1 is 8, then 10 to the power 1. Okay, decimal number has a base of 10. This is very important, face value and position value. You need to understand this and read the book, read the topic from the book to understand very carefully. Okay, so move on to next. Here you can see the number is calculated as the sum of face value, base position of each digit. For decimal number 87, the number can represented as 8 into 10 to the power 1, 8 into 10 to the power 1 plus 7 into 10 to the power 0. Okay, 7 into 10 to the power 0 is equal to 80 plus 7 is equal to 87. In computer there are mainly 4 kinds of number system acquiring attention. Okay, first is binary number system. This is very important. Okay, binary number system base is 2, hexadecimal number system is base is 16, decimal number system base is 10, octadecimal number system base is 8. This is very important. Okay, binary number system has a base of 2, hexadecimal 16, hexadecimal 16, octadecimal base is 8, and the decimal number system base is 8, sorry 10. Okay, the decimal numbers now comes to decimal number system. This is most popular positional number system. Deci means 10. Okay, 10, we all know that base is 10, decimal number system base is 10. So this system has a base of 10 and its range is 0 to 9. That means 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, a number 736 is formed by placing the digit according to their proper place is shown as below. That means 700 3 tens and 6 unit. Okay, 700 3 tens and 6 unit. 7 into 10. Okay, 7 into 100, sorry, 7 into 100 is equal to 700, 3 into 10 is equal to 30, 6 into 1 into that means 6. So here you can see 10 to the power 2 means 10 into 10. Okay, 10 to the power 10 square plus 3 into 10 to the power 1 plus 6 into 10 to the power 0. Okay, total is 736. In my next video I will show you how it will be calculated. Okay, so today I will only discuss the basic thing of this number system. Next is the binary number system. We all know that binary number system has a base of 2, and the word binary comes by meaning 2. The binary number system is the way to write numbers using only 2 digits, 0 and 1. The computer also nowadays called the computer also can understand only 0 and 1. Having a base of 2, a single binary digit like 0 and 1 is called a bit. Okay, 0 and 1 is called a bit. Bit is the smallest units of a computer memory. These are used to computer as a series of off and on, okay, off and on switch. In binary, each digit place value is double than the next digit is right, the place value of the almost digit being 1. For many years, mathematicians saw the base of 2 as a primitive system and overlooked at the position of the binary system as a tool developing computers. Since the many electrical devices, binary number system has been used in the almost every electronic gadget device, from calculator to supercomputer. Machine codes are binary digit. Binary system works well or the computers because mechanical and electronical circuits recognize only state of operation such as on off or the close and open. That means हम अभी क्या होता है कि बाइनरी डिजिट से ही हम लोग सभी कुछ प्रोग्राम करते हैं, और कंप्यूटर को क्या होता है कि बाइनरी ओनली 0 एंड 1 ही समझ में आता है, जो कि बाइनरी डिजिट का बेस है, ओके। And 0 and 1 is called a bit. 0 and 1 is called a bit, and the computer used a series of on and off or closed or open, okay। कंप्यूटर को खाली यही समझ में आता है. So these are the main basic things of binary digit. You need to read this for understand, okay। Next is octadecimal number system. Octadecimal number system numbering system was adopted in computer system because it can represent bits in a compact way. One digit can represent 3 bits. It provides a easier way to work with binary number system. The octal number system consists of 0 to 7. This number system has a base of 8. That means 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, okay। The octal number system is a base of 8. Next is hexadecimal number system. The hexadecimal number system replaces the octal number system because the hexadecimal number system needs only 2 digits to show information in 1 byte or data. The hexadecimal number system consists of 16 digits, 0 to 9, then A to F. That means when the 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, after 9 we count 10 as a 11 as a B, 12 as a C, okay, and so on. Both octadecimal number system has helps in the comparison of the binary digit. Each octal digit represents 3 binary digit, and each hexadecimal representation 4 binary digit, okay। So here you can see the table. Here the binary digit base number is 2, okay। Binary digit base number is 2, where digit used in 0 and 1. This is very important, okay। This very important thing. Octal is 8, base is 8, so 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, okay। Total number of digit is 8. Next is decimal, which is base is 10, so 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Now comes to hexadecimal. Hexadecimal is 16, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Then comes A. A stands for 10, B stands for 11, C stands for 12, D stands for 13, E stands for 14, and F stands for 15, okay। So total number of digits used in 16, okay। This is very important, and in my next video I will show you how to calculate and conversion of number system, hexadecimal to binary decimal to hexadecimal, octal decimal, okay। So first thing, all of you need to read this basic thing and understand the concept of this number system, okay। Then otherwise you won't understand the conversion of number system, okay, conversion between number system. So you need to read this topic very carefully, okay, very carefully. So no more today. I will show conversation between number system in my next video, okay। So till then, take care, goodbye, and thank you.